What will happen if the sun suddenly Some plants and animals have started becoming weak due to this suddenly changing weather. Our system has been destroyed, but the creatures inside the sea are not seeing any changes. For them, their world is still the same. There is still heat left in some places because a feature of the Earth's atmosphere is that it can keep the heat received from the sun inside it for a few days. Due to which there is no such situation that everywhere becomes frozen, but this stored heat can last only for 3 or 4 days without the sun, but now 7 days have passed after 7 days. Darkness is still looming over the Earth and the temperature has reached minus 20 degrees Celsius. What was feared has happened. Water turns into ice in 0 degree and now the temperature of the whole world is minus 20 degrees Celsius. So now water is not present in liquid form. TV and internet have suddenly stopped working because the satellites which used to get power from sunlight through solar panels have lost power. Somehow, with the help of high-power batteries, they ran for 7 days, but scientists had never thought that a day would come when there would be no sun, so they had not made any backup plan. All the seas and rivers in the world have frozen over by now. Due to the minus 20 degrees Celsius temperature, the entire world has lost power because the dam whose water is used to generate power has frozen over. Hence, the mobile phone towers have also gone off and landline phones have also stopped working. The phones have also stopped working because the electricity that keeps this world on has gone off. Electricity is left only in a few places where electricity is produced through other means. But due to the entire Earth's system being upside down, that too is going to stop working in a few days. People are not able to talk to their relatives on the phone. The world is now completely disconnected from the internet and phone. Plants have died because without the sun and without photosynthesis they cannot survive for so long. And the animals that eat plants are also slowly dying because plants are no longer able to survive and are drying up, due to which there is a shortage of plants on the entire Earth, and there are not enough of them left to feed all the animals. The rich people have built basements for themselves in these 7 days so that they can escape this biting cold and at least stay alive in a safe place. The government has built underground basements for the poor people so that they can go and live in them and escape this cold. All the people are living in a group. All the time is night now. It does not make sense when it is day and when it is night. Earlier there used to be day and night, but now it is only night. A different map of the stars in the sky is visible because the Earth has reached some unknown place floating alone in space. After 1 month, the Earth is getting colder and colder. The temperature has reached about -40°C, and now the Earth looks like this from space. Frozen Earth, which is shivering. Almost the entire Earth is now covered with snow. Almost all the plants of the Earth have died. Those plants which were used to living in cold places. The creatures and animals of the Earth have now died. If we talk about the creatures inside the sea, then due to the freezing of the sea, they have also died because all the plants have died. Therefore, after 1 month, the amount of CO2, i.e. carbon dioxide, in the air has increased so much that every breath has now become as dangerous as cigarette smoke. When the plants were alive, they used to keep the air, but now there is no one to keep the air. There is another place where sea creatures are still present where the heat is high, like the rivers which are near some volcanoes are still in liquid form. That's why there is some life left in them even if you have a friend on Mars and he says yes to you from there, then you will be able to see him on Earth after 3 minutes. Which means if you see Mars live at night through a telescope, then actually it is not live. Actually, 3 minutes before that you are seeing another interesting example. Suppose there is a planet 66 lakh light years away from here. Advanced creatures like humans live in it. So if those people will see the Earth through a very powerful telescope, then they will actually see dinosaurs because it takes 66 lakh years for light to reach such an Earth. So even now if they see the Earth in real time, they will actually see dinosaurs. And here we humans are living and looking at this. Another amazing fact comes out that the stars that you see in the sky at night are not actually there. They have died long ago. They are past. They are stars billions of light years away, so 1 billion from today. The light of what was there earlier has reached us now because it took so much time for the light to reach. This means that we are seeing something billions of years old right now. No one knows what will actually happen there at this moment. What you are seeing is all past. The red sun that you see in the sky in the evening is actually the scene you are seeing 8 minutes ago. Even though you are looking at the live sun, you are not able to see the live sun. This is an amazing thing, isn't it? How did you like this video? Do comment below, like and share it. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, then do subscribe, and if you have not yet pressed the bell, then press it too.